What's up, everybody? Welcome to Queer Girl Straight Skates. I'm Rebel, and today I'm here to talk to you all about my favorite event of the year, RollerCon. Queer Girl Straight Skates is a YouTube channel all about roller skating. So if you want to learn about roller skating, or if you're interested in roller skating, or you love roller skating, or you are a roller skater like me, then you should hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell so that you can get notified when I post. And don't forget to check out www.cheersofthequeers.com and go and shop for laces and cool accessories and stuff, because it helps to support this channel, helps to support me, and skaters love supporting skaters. Now, I know what you might be saying. What is this RollerCon that you're talking about? Well, RollerCon is a once-a-year festival that's all about roller skating, and it's in Las Vegas, Nevada. Roller skates, every type of roller skating you've ever imagined in one place with lots of other people that also want to do the same thing. So wait a minute, Rebel. Are you trying to tell me that there is going to be dance skating, there is going to be park skating, there's going to be roller derby, there's going to be park meetups, there's going to be super intense derby bouts, there's going to be rollouts, there's going to be classes, there's going to be extra AF parties, and there's going to be all your favorite skaters all in one place, all at the same time, and it's in Vegas? No way. Yes way. That is exactly what RollerCon is. And more. So much more that I literally couldn't explain it to you all in this video, even if I tried. So I've had a few people ask me, if I am a beginner roller skater, can I go to RollerCon? Yes. And even if you aren't a skater at all, but you're just fascinated by the roller skate lifestyle, you also can go to RollerCon. And you're gonna have a great time, because guess what RollerCon is? The most exciting, the most entertaining amazingness. Like, I'm not even exaggerating. Like, I literally look forward to it every year. And not only do I look forward to it every year, but I literally pick out all of my outfits all way ahead of time, because it is the place to show up, show out, and also there are parties that have themes, and like, we love a theme. This year, RollerCon is going to be from July 13th to July 17th, and I think the last day to sign up is very soon, and it's at the Westgate Hotel in Las Vegas, Nevada. Now, here are some answers to questions that I have been asked recently about RollerCon. RollerCon, is it for all levels? Yes. Yes, it is. RollerCon, can you go if you just want to watch? Yes. Yes, you can. Another thing that you might not know about RollerCon is there's this amazing vendor village that has all of these roller skate vendors who sell all this amazing stuff. Like, if you are looking for some advice on what to get for your skates, or even if you're just looking for a place that's gonna have all of the stuff for your skates, RollerCon is 1000% where it's at. There's gonna be like anything you can imagine skate related, you're gonna be able to find it at RollerCon, especially in that vendor village. And also, I'm gonna be bopping around all over the place. Mostly on my skates in random places, and also in the pool, because the pool is fire. Obsessed with the pool. Can't get enough, seriously. But Rebel, what if I'm not in shape enough to like skate a derby bout? Or what if I feel like I'm not ready to take classes or do all the things that RollerCon has to offer? Well, when I first started roller derby, and a couple months later was RollerCon. And I was like, you know what, screw it, I'm just gonna go. I don't really know what I'm doing or anything about roller skates or anything. And I decided to go anyways, and it was one of the best decisions I could have made, because I had the best time, and it's so cool like being around so many people in the roller skate community, and also like getting to take classes from people who are super awesome. Like, I remember taking a class and being like, I cannot believe that I am taking a class from Estrogen. Like, I just remember being like, this is so wild. And from that moment, I fell even more in love with the skate community and got to try so many fun things. and shove. I had tried to convince her to go even though we weren't dating, and she was like, no, I don't know, like I'm not ready. And to this day, she regrets it. Literally, just ask her. Hey babe, do you regret not going to RollerCon that first year?
Yes, duh.
Hey Bowie, do you regret never having been to RollerCon ever? Oh yeah, wow, that is the biggest yes I've ever seen. So now that you're fully convinced to go to RollerCon, what do you pack? Like, how do you prepare for RollerCon? Let me tell you. One, definitely you need to have outfits that you can skate and like get wrecked in, right? And you also need outfits to like show up and show out. So I'm always wearing bright colors. Most of the time, I'm honestly wearing workout clothes because I love playing in bouts. I love taking classes. I love doing all these things, and workout clothes for me is like the most accessible to that. Usually I'll wear bright workout clothes like my Yitty that I'm like obsessed with now. Thanks Lizzo. And I also have like fabulous pool outfits so that when I am done doing all my workout stuff and feeling like, whoa, I'm learning so much stuff, I can go and relax and have a drink at the pool and hang out with my homies. And then I also bring fancy outfits for whatever the themes for the parties at night are. So this year, the theme for the Rydell party is 80s. So make sure you bring some sort of 80s extra outfit because usually there is a prize for best dressed. And then there's also a black and blue party. And at the black and blue party, it is a pool party where you wear black and blue or just black or just blue or whatever. And you're like, I'm killing it. I'm in black and blue and I'm at this party. And it's just like a show off, show out kind of thing. So make sure you have an outfit for that. And then I think there's also a sexy skate night that Pigeons Skate Shop is hosting. And so make sure you have something sexy for that. And also, obviously, you need to make sure you have your skates and your gear. And I would bring ibuprofen or some sort of like icy hot or something like that because I bring that because I go so hard and then I get so sore and I'm like, man, I wish I had ibuprofen. But I'm not a doctor, so don't listen to me about medication, but like ibuprofen. What's that, Invisible Rebel? You want to know what advice you would give to anyone who is thinking about going to RollerCon? Wow, what a great question. I think that definitely if I was gonna give advice to someone about going to RollerCon and you're like on the fence about it and you're like, I don't know, I would definitely say just do it. There are different levels to passes, so you don't have to get the highest pass that's the most expensive because you can do like a skater pass or just a visitor pass if you don't want to roller skate, or an MVP pass if you want to take a bunch of the absolutely awesome, amazing classes. But if you don't want to do MVP, you just want to do a skater class, there's still classes available to you. And there is so many awesome things that you can get to do if you go to RollerCon. Don't hesitate, just do it. It's gonna be so fun. The COVID precautions that they have put in place are that they're going to be doing a sticker system where you can have a sticker on your name tag which shows how comfortable you are with other people and contact. So there's a red sticker, a yellow sticker, and a green sticker, which indicates your level of caution that you would like other people to have around you, which I think is a really great idea for RollerCon to do. And I also think that with a center like the Westgate Hotel, they have like big areas, there are going to be opportunities to space out if that is something that you are concerned with. If you don't feel comfortable with going to RollerCon this year because of COVID or whatever concerns that you might have, something that I think that you should do is put RollerCon on your calendar for next year. They often release the dates for the following year's RollerCon very much so in advance. And a lot of times on, I think Thanksgiving weekend is when they release the pre-sale tickets for the following RollerCon. And the earlier you buy your tickets, the cheaper they are. So I always buy them super early because I know I'm gonna go every year. In short, RollerCon, awesome. RollerCon with you there, even more awesome. If you have any more questions or anything, go ahead and put them down below. I'm definitely not the expert on RollerCon, but I have been for the last 3 years. Oh wait, that's a lie. I haven't been for the last 3 years because of COVID, but I've been 3 times to RollerCon, and I'm excited to see what they've brewed up for this year. And if you are going, please come and say hi to me because I can't wait to celebrate and hang out with you. Thanks so much for watching this episode of Queer Girl Straight Skates. Queer Girl Straight Skates. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and get your tickets to RollerCon now. You can get them on rollercon.com. And don't forget to go and check out www.cheersthequeers.com after you're on rollercon.com, because you can get lots of cool like accessories and fun stuff, because that's my shop and that's where I put lots of cool stuff, so you should check it out. And most importantly, cheers to the queers!